everyone, Jordan from Be Effective here, brought to you by Simple Dev Co. And today I'll be going over how to choose the right keywords for your business when planning content to post on your website. Instead of taking the time to do it yourself, consider letting us help your business by reaching simpledevco.com, or you can send me an email at jordan@simpledevco.com and make sure to include the keyword simple to receive a special introductory rate. Let's get into it. With long form content still being the most effective way to drive traffic to your website, you have to ask the question, what keywords are my users searching for? If you're not asking this question, you're missing out on one of the most effective marketing methods to date in 2021. It will only continue to be prevalent in the years to come. So you're writing content for your website. What's the subject that these posts are on? A keyword is meant to be a concise description of what the subject of a post is, and it's the main gateway that users will use to get onto your website. If a keyword meshes perfectly with the subject of what the post is, a user is much more likely to organically find your website. Now, this is mainly geared towards professional services like real estate agencies, doctors' offices, law firms, architectural firms, accounting firms, but the process is going to be pretty similar no matter what industry you're in, so you can follow along. There are a few different tools that you can use to find the most relevant and suitable keywords for your business, but I'm a really big fan of Google's Keyword Planner. It's a powerful and free tool that lets you enter in your industry and keywords that you have and gives you more keywords that you can use. It's incredibly useful. It not only shows you the ideas for new keywords, but also tells you the monthly search traffic, the competition rate, whether it's high, medium, or low, as well as the average bid range to give you an idea of cost. So first, I'll show you how to get into Google's Keyword Planner. So you're gonna go to ads.google.com and you're gonna click sign in. Now, please note, to access Google's Keyword Planner, you do have to have a completed advertisement already live on Google. It doesn't have to be paid, but all of your payment information has to be included in there, even if the campaign's paused. So go through that motion, pause the campaign, or just wait until it's being in the approval process. So you'll click sign in, and then if you already have an advertisement all set up, you're gonna go up to this where it says tools and settings, and there should be an advanced tab right here. If you click advanced, it should refresh your page, and then you can click it again, and then you have access to the keyword planner. You click into it, and here we are. So from here, I'll choose a keyword with high search volume. Lawyers near me would work great. A keyword with medium search volume, best lawyers, and a keyword with low search volume, which may or may not be one that's listed on Google's Keyword Planner. Central Coast Law Firm would be a great example of a low search volume keyword. I'm in the Central Coast, so it would make most sense if I had a law firm to use my keyword in my area to effectively target my community. So from these keywords, you can start to envision a piece of content that you can create in either written format or video format to be transcribed into written format. So I'm thinking how to find the best lawyers near me on the Central Coast, the vertical / Central Coast Law Firm. This would be a great piece of content because it will be targeting all three of those keywords, high, medium, and low. So you get a little bit of volume from the high volume keyword, a good chunk from the medium keyword, and it becomes increasingly easy to rank at the top for your low search volume keywords. Now remember, it's not strictly the volume of visitors coming to your website every month, but how qualified they are to be your clients or customers. So if you're an accident attorney serving the Central Coast, you wouldn't want 3,000 monthly visitors from Canada that are interested in a divorce attorney. So by knowing who you want your visitors to be, you can use Google's Keyword Planner to find those keywords that will be most relevant to your immediate audience. You can enter in your website to have Google provide ideas of keywords based on content that's already on your site. Now, this is a useful tool to find secondary keywords, but not necessarily to base the bulk of your content on. So you can do that by clicking Discover New Keywords, but instead of typing the keywords there, you would just type in your domain. You can filter these results based on location, language, and date range to get the most accurate view of the volume and competition on your prospective keywords. You can also use these keywords to create Google Ads. Now, I don't immediately recommend jumping into Google Ads before you have a solid amount of content already on your website. If you haven't made use of writing content and are trying to organically drive traffic to your website before using ads, in my experience, you'll be throwing money in the trash. So write your content first, make a video, transcribe it, post it to your website, and find out what keywords work best for your business specifically. Once you have a solid idea of the keywords that attract your target audience, you can then use those keywords to create a pay-per-click campaign to supplement your organic traffic to your site. So that was a brief overview of how to find the most correct and relevant keywords for your business. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Consider liking the video, subscribing, and turning on notifications to stay up to date with all of our latest releases. We do upload new videos every Monday and Friday. Now, instead of taking the time to do this yourself, finding the most relevant keywords, creating the content for your website, consider letting us help your business by reaching out to simpledevco.com, or you can shoot me an email at jordan@simpledevco.com. Make sure to include the keyword simple to receive a special introductory rate. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.